Good morning, my dear students of class 6th. Here we are having the recap of chapter number 2, that is the components of food. We will study again in a short manner the components of food. Here you can see in the picture, along with the components of food, the different type of components and different type of food are also shown in the figure. We have already studied about the different nutrients, or we can say the different components. So here we are. What are the different major nutrients of the food? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, mineral, water, roughage, and of course the vitamins. So the question arises, why the food consists of different components and why we need different kind of food, why we take varieties of food. Can't we will stay with the single kind of food? No. All the different nutrients are necessary equally for our complete growth and development of our body. Here you can see the growth is important and maintenance is also important part of our life, and both are based only on the intake of the food that we are actually taking. So we have to take a good and a proper diet, and our body should have all the kind of nutrients. So carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin, mineral, and of course dietary fiber, along with the most important nutrient, that is water, all are required for the proper functioning of our body. Next, the question arises, what are the nutrients? Basically, nutrients are the substances which are found in our food that we eat. Nutrients provide nourishment to our body and helps in proper functioning of the body. What are the different nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give energy to our body, so they are called the energy giving food. In the picture also you can see there are different sources of carbohydrates: wheat, rice, corn, bread, potato, sugar. All these are the main and carbohydrates rich sources. Next, we will study fats. You know what? The fat provide more energy to our body rather than we take the carbohydrates. Oil, milk, ghee, butter, cheese, dry fruits. All these are the sources of fats. Proteins. Proteins help us in development and growth of our body. So they are also known as the body building food. Here are the sources: cheese, paneer, egg, dry fruits, meat, milk, pulses. All these are the sources of the proteins. Here you can see the sources: different type of pulses, beans, meat, eggs. All these are the sources. Vitamins and minerals, they are important for the normal functioning of the body. So they are also required by our body and are one of the essential component. Here are the sources: fruits, vegetables, milk. All these are the sources. Water and roughage. You know why we are taking water? We are advised to take at least 12 glasses of water in a day. Why? Have you ever thought about that? No. Okay, I will tell you. You know, water provide minerals to our body. Minerals and vitamins are not automatically generated by the body. We have to take it from our food to get proper amount of vitamins and minerals. So from colorful vegetables and fruits we get vitamins, and from water we are about to get minerals. A balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet which contain all the essential nutrients in appropriate quantity. So in order to have balanced diet, we must have the mixture of food. It includes fruits, vegetables, curd, pulses, chapati, rice, salad, and much more. Next, you can see in the pie chart of the balanced diet, different ratios of different foods have been given. Why? What is the reason behind that? Okay, I'll tell you. You can see small areas have been covered by the fats, means we have to take fat in much less amount, and at the max we have to take carbohydrates and proteins because they provide energy to our body and they help in proper building of the body. Now, let's have a look on some healthy habits. What can be the healthy habits? First and most important is to have the balanced diet. Second is exercise. Third is proper rest. And of course, the fourth is the correct posture. What we have to do to be healthy, we have to take balanced diet, we have to do some of the workout in evening or in morning as we are comfortable, we have to take proper rest. You know how much sleep we have to take? We have to take at least 6 to 8 hours of the sleep in a day. And of course, if we are sitting, if we are walking, if we are sleeping, we have to be in the correct posture whatever we are doing. Deficiency diseases. You all have learnt about different vitamins. Here are the list of different vitamins, and deficiency diseases are also given. So let's study vitamin A. You all know the deficiency of vitamin A causes loss of vision, which is also known as night blindness. What will happen? The poor vision or the loss of complete vision, basically in the night times. Vitamin B1, berry. Weak muscles and very little energy to work. The person who will be suffering from berry, he or she will be having very much less energy to do work. He will be feeling lazy all the time. Vitamin C causes scurvy, means bleeding of the gums and wounds. Vitamin D, rickets. The bones become very much weaker, soft, and they basically bend down. Vitamin D, okay, it has been done. Calcium, bone and tooth decay. Weak bones again and tooth decay. You all have know that sometime cavity takes place in the tooth and the tooth decay happens with us. So why so? Just because the calcium is lacking in the body of that person, so we have to take the calcium in appropriate amount. Next, iron. Anemia. Iron, the deficiency of iron causes anemia, which causes weakness. Iodine, means iodine, the deficiency of the iodine causes goiter. The glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in the children. Next, so I have completed the chapter. Again, it's a short recap of the chapter number 2, components of food. So if you will take balanced diet, if you will do proper exercises, if your posture will be good, and if you will take good sleep hours, only then you will be fit and fine. So you all just eat good and feel good.